This is a replacement float head, 820 model on a Polaris. You might be needing one of these because yours is waterlogged, and therefore your device, whether it's a 180 or a 280 or a 360 or a 380, your device is on its side, not running efficiently, and you definitely need to get this thing back up to par. So again, if your float head is waterlogged, then you may need to replace it with a brand new float head. You've got really two options. You can pay big bucks or you can get a discount. This is one of the discount options, and so what I'm wanting to see is, does it hold up? Does it feel good? Does it feel durable? To be honest, it looks and feels exactly like every other 820 float head I've ever had. So it's got that little bit of a bend, a little bit of flexibility. The premium quality seems to be there. They all have that seam, and I guess that's where the water gets into and gets waterlogged. But no, this looks just perfect. So install super easy. Do not call your pool cleaner company to come do this for you. Just literally stick it on and then you're done. So this is easy. I grab a couple of these, like these on the shelf, just in case you need one. Nothing will shut down your pool cleaner faster than one of these getting waterlogged. So this was sent to me for honest review. I don't even need the part right now, but I'm gonna have this on the shelf for when I do. And I just wanna tell you that this brand is stacking up. Feels good, looks just as premium as any of the others.